channel Fitful Yours. This is Dr. Khushbu Gata, and this week we are going to discuss about aging related changes on your cardiovascular and respiratory health. Now before I begin, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now what do you mean by your cardiovascular and respiratory system? The main organs which are present in your body, your heart, lungs, and your arteries, veins, and lymphatic system. These are the 5 main components which are included in your cardiovascular and respiratory system. अभी सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हार्ट के बारे में. हार्ट के मेन 4 चेम्बर्स होते हैं, राइट एट्रियम, लेफ्ट एट्रियम, राइट वेंट्रिकल एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. इसमें से सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चेम्बर होता है आपका लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, क्योंकि वो पहुंचाता है ब्लड थ्रू आउट योर बॉडी टू each and every minuscule part of your body. And secondly comes your arteries, veins and lymphatic system. The arteries are actually like pipelines throughout your body because like pipelines circulate water to the entire building. Same way your arteries supply blood throughout your body. The veins take away the waste products from your body, and this vascular system circulates oxygen throughout your body and takes away carbon dioxide. Now the third is lungs. अभी imagine कीजिए कि आप एक बलून के अंदर हवा ब्लो कर रहे हो. अभी आप जब ब्लो कर रहे हो हवा, तभी वो बलून एक्सपैंड हो रहा है. And when you leave the mouth of the balloon, the air slowly comes out of the balloon. Now imagine that your lungs are also formed of these balloons. These balloons are actually called as alveoli in your lungs, and your lungs are actually made out of 600 million alveoli. So you can just imagine that the capacity of your lungs is so great. Now, when you undergo aging after the age of 50 or 60 years of age, the heart, the chambers of your heart, especially the left ventricle, then the arteries in your vascular system, and the alveoli in your lungs. All these 3 tissues, they start hardening and becoming stiff. अभी ये stiff होने के कारण हार्ट में आपका जो pumping capacity है वो reduce हो जाता है. Your vascular system, your arteries, because these arteries become stiff, your blood pressure rises as you age. Then your lungs, as the alveoli become stiff, the ability to take in air, have the gaseous exchange and remove the air out is reduces as you age. Now because of all these changes, your cardiovascular and respiratory health also reduces as you age. This is the reason why you get tired easily. Then you start getting breathless even when you climb just one flight of stairs. You feel more tired and fatigued towards the end of the day, and the normal activities which you were able to perform when you were much younger, you feel that you are having more difficulty in performing those activities. अभी ये सारे processes है normal aging related process. जैसे कि मैं previous videos में भी explain कर रही हूँ कि because of a few factors, these aging related processes become even faster and they become even worse as you age. So these factors are mainly your sedentary lifestyle and the diet which you intake and the overall unhealthy lifestyle that you live throughout your young and middle age. But there is one good news for you. What you can do to reverse this process. Again, you won't be completely able to reverse this process, but you can at least slow down this process, or you can actually live a better quality of life. So there's only one thing which can actually help you, and that is exercise. WHO recommends doing at least 150 minutes of moderate level of activity throughout an entire week. So that means if you are working out for 5 days in a week, you need to at least work out for 30 minutes per day, which should be at least moderate level of activity. Abhi, to improve your cardiovascular health, the main workout which you can do is aerobic workout. Aerobic workout में क्या क्या आता है? Now dance, Zumba, walking, cycling, swimming, all these are aerobic activities. So you can do these at least 30 minutes in a day, every day of the week. So your 150 minutes of aerobic workout is complete throughout the week by doing this. अब ये aerobic workout में क्या होता है और कैसे आपको help करता है to improve your cardiovascular health. So aerobic workout basically increases your heart rate. By increasing the heart rate, you are increasing the supply of blood throughout your body and you are giving a healthy exercise to your heart as well. Then second is to improve your respiratory health, that is improve the capacity of your lungs. You can do a few breathing exercises, you can do pranayama. I have attached the link to my video of breathing exercises down below in the description box, so you can go check it out. By doing breathing exercises, you are expanding your lungs more than what they normally do in your daily life. So in this way, your lungs are used at an optimum capacity to exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Along with both of these things, aerobic workout and breathing exercises, you also need to do a lot of lifestyle modifications. So that's it for today, and if you found this information useful, do not forget to like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel Fitfully Yours. You can also follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you have any queries, you can email me. My email ID is down below in the description box. Thank you.